I met him 8 years ago sa Malolos, and the rest is history. I didn't expect that I will be totally engaged in one person. Like, I really hate relationships back then. I don't want relationships back then. But he made me realize na life is worth living with love.
Ikaw yung nagpa-realize sa akin na ito dapat tayo. So, sobrang thankful ako na ikaw yung mapapaksalan ko. Thank you, Lord, na ito yung binigay mong babae para sa akin. Binigyan na ako isang babae na maalaga, mapagmahal.
He made me want to live my life. He made me want na ipagpatuloy ang buhay ng masaya, na enjoyan ang bawat segundo, minuto ng buhay. And kapag nandyan siya, everything is different. He can change things around. No one ever na nakagawa nun sa buhay ko. Siya lang.
Stars are tracing the sky like city windows.
Maya advice ko lang sa kanya, lagi siyang magpapakatatag kasi iisa ko lang na unique ka siya. Saka medyo behave ka ng konti, ha?
Be careful na lang sa mga decision making, ganon. Dahan-dahan lang. Lahat naman ng bagay na to ay kailangan ipagpasa Diyos mo lahat ng mga decisions.
I'll be entering marriage life. I still need your advices and your guidance. Thank you for loving me and accepting me.
And I'm feeling like
Lola, thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin.
No ka. Ayusin mo lang buhay mo to, ha? Nga makita ko. All the way good.
Thank you sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin sa malabas sa bahay. Wala pa eh. Love you, Lola.
I love you.
I'm not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself. There's a way I see you in this moment. I will hold it all of my life. And I'm feeling like it was only ever you. And I'm feeling like you were something.
Ikaw, Emmanuel, tinatanggap po ba si Maureen upang iyong maging asawa, mamuhay na magkasama, ayon sa tinakda ng banal na matrimonyo?
Yes, Pastor. Gusto ko, pag nagka-family tayo, hindi ka magbago. Mamahalin natin, magiging family natin. Lahat ng mangyayari sa atin, malalagpasan natin yun na magkasama tayo. And thank you na finally, nakasal na tayo.
Love, this is our day. We're engaged 2 years ago, and we finally made it today. I realized na I can do everything as long as I'm with you, as long as we're together. Things that I thought na mahirap, pero kapag kasama pala kita, kayang-kaya pala. And thank you, love. Thank you for loving me, and I will love you for the rest of my life.
That's
were talking sa car, after my OP consultation, I told you, as early as now, leave me. Because I don't know if I can bear a child. Yet, still, you proposed and I said, yes, I promise to love you forever. And I will be with you through ups and downs. I love you and I will love you for the rest of my life.